So hello everyone, today we're going to make a tutorial of the bandana. So the materials that we need are yarn, a book of yarn, and then scissors. Make sure it's sharp enough to cut your yarn threads. Then 3.5mm hook. I like to use this ergonomic crochet hook, and also we will be needing some tapestry needle. So to begin, let's take the end of our yarn and then we make a magic circle loop. So wrap your yarn around your fingers like this and then pull it up, and that's how we made our slip knot or magic circle loop. Now chain 3, so this serves as our first double crochet, and then make 2 double crochets inside the magic circle loop that we made. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once and then insert your hook into the magic circle loop and then yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Now chain 3 and make 3 double crochets again inside the magic circle loop. Now pull the extra string out to tighten the loop that we made. So we just made our first round. Now this time we make 3 chains and turn our work on the other side and make 2 double crochets on the same loop where we made our 3 chains. So this is to start our second row. Now chain 1 and make 3 double crochets inside the loop where we made our shell stitch. Now chain 3 and then make 3 double crochets inside the same loop. Now chain 1 and make 3 double crochets inside the first double crochet that we made. So this is to close our second row. So we just make the same pattern all throughout, and we have to make 15 rows of this 3 double crochet, chain 1 and a shell stitch in the entire project. So for our third row, we need to make 3 chains and then turn our work on the other side and make 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Chain 1, 3 double crochets on the next chain space, chain 1 and then 3 double crochets on the shell stitch that we made. And then chain 3 double crochets into the same shell stitch. So just repeat the same pattern and I will meet you until we almost finish making our 15 rows of this pattern. Now at the end of our 15 row, we need to chain 1 and then turn a work around on the other side and then single crochet on the next 3 stitches on this row. Now chain 3 and then slip stitch into the nearest chain space and then single crochet onto the next 3 stitches beside it. So that's on top of our double crochets. And then chain 3 again, slip stitch into the next chain space, and you just need to repeat doing this pattern all throughout this row. I will meet you at the end of this row. Now as you can see at the end of this row, we just made a chain long enough to wrap around your head. So after making a chain, I did 45 chains, and then after that you need to single crochet on this entire chains until the end of this tip of this bandana. Okay, so as soon as you reach that, you need to single crochet into the spaces like this. So single crochet all the way around to this bandana, and then I will meet you at the end of this row. Now at the end of this row, you must be single crocheting 1 and then make a chain that is long enough to wrap around your head. So I made 45 chains, so a total of 45 chains. And then stretch your bandana a little bit like this to emphasize its shape. And continue doing single crochets all the way around this entire 45 chains. So skip 1 chain and then single crochet 1 and then single crochet into the next, all the way around into the 45 chains that we made. Now at the end of this row, we need to slip stitch at the chain space of this bandana and then fasten off our work to make it secure. So use our tapestry needle to sew the remaining yarns into the bandana or into the stitches of our bandana. So I did mine like this. And then cut the extra yarn to make it look beautiful. And now we're done. So you have made your crochet bandana. I hope you guys liked it. And I will be posting some of my video tutorials on my YouTube channel. So for those who has any comments or suggestions, you can write down on the comment box below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next videos.